Welcome to today's tip from Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro. Here I am in Microsoft Teams, and specifically I'm in the chat section. So I'm over here in chat. Here I have a group chat. A group chat is a chat between 1, 2, 3, 4, as many people as you like really, that are always going to be chatting about something that doesn't need to necessarily be in a channel. So it's off topic or a different project or something else. So here I've got a little group. It's called Maestro because you can rename it here. I can see who the members are. I can go to the 3 people here, and I can see that the members are Lou, myself and Terence when it pops up. Now I want to change the picture because Teams has given it pictures, our pictures, so the other 2 people who are in this chat with me, and I'd like to make it a different picture. Well, maybe we're going to skyrocket our productivity by learning how to do things better in Microsoft Teams. And now I've got a rocket as my avatar. I can also choose from the emojis, so I could really love my colleagues and set that up, or I can even upload my own logo. So here I have one I did earlier, and I can save that too. And so now my group chat is easily identifiable by the picture that goes with it. Found this tip useful? Give the video a like, remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another tip sometime very soon.